5, 6, 7, right by right. Hit it. Center. Hit it. Left. Hit it. Center. Double cross, double knee. Up. 4, 3, 2. Run left, go. Turn left. Turn left. Front. Turn to your right. 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 5 hops. Bust a move. 8, 8, 8. Step right. Hit it. Left. Hit it. Left. Hit it. Double cross, double knee. Up. 4, 3, 2. Run left, go. Turn. I love it. Turn. Turn. Turn to the right.